Everyone online claims to know what Gen Z Republicans are like. They are described as broken, bitter young white guys, radicalized by discrimination, dating apps, and doom. But when researchers actually put 20 right leaning Zoomers in a room in Nashville, the picture looked very different. So, in 3 minutes, let's see what Gen Z Republicans really think and why it matters as they start to replace older voters in American politics. First surprise, most of them are not crushed by the economy. They complained about the housing and prices, but it sounded more like talking points than trauma. Some even mentioned the family money or the trust funds. The economical pain they really felt in their bone was health insurance. Going unsecured, skipping care, one accident away from the debt. Psychologically, they seemed marked less by the fear than the boredom. Politics felt like entertainment, something to hook, scroll, and forget. Their media diet was pure personality. Trump, Tucker Carlson, Joe Rogan, Ben Spiro, and in the background, Nick Fuentes. So some called Fuentes funny or just joking, and one attendee openly liked his ultra Christian, American first, anti immigration message while others pushed back. Others in the same room said he was dangerous, brain rot, or terrible for the right's image. But almost everyone knew the content. And the new polling backs this up. Young conservatives are more open to Carlson, Shapiro, and even Fuentes than the older Republicans are. When the talk turned to the race and Jews, something worrying happened. Overt bigotry often landed as shrugging indifference. After years of hearing everyone called racist, from John McCain to Donald Trump, some of them said the stigma just doesn't bite anymore. On women and feminism, you've heard everything from hate it to one guy saying women shouldn't vote, while others challenged him on the spot. The through line wasn't a single doctrine, it was a vibe, how politicals felt, not what it argued. Funny, transgressive, Christian coded, and able to hold attention. So, what does that mean for the future of right? For a lot of these young conservatives, life is comfortable enough that the politics can feel like a game, right up until something truly breaks. And when everything is content, extreme ideas can circulate as jokes long before anyone notices which one are starting to stick and shape the real power. If you want more calm, 3 minutes breakdown of how power, media, and youth politics really work, make sure to subscribe to Study World Politics. And tell me in the comments, is this Gen Z shift just vibes or the start of something much bigger?